Assalamualaikum everyone and hello. So today we're gonna unboxing this glittery slime.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's see. This slime have black glitter,
pink glitter, and a
and unicorn. So
Yes.
let's start unboxing this box.
Now.
Adik, can you open this box?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
Sleepy.
Okay, now.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. So now you can see here, we also
What
have
is it?
the pink knife.
What is this?
This is the straw for we blow up the slime.
Okay.
So
Wow.
this is the thing that we must mix with the slime.
Yes.
And then we have green slime here.
Yes. Yeah.
And 3 straw for blow the slime, and also 3 pink knife.
Okay, guys, you think if we add this glitter and this glitter into the slime, he can
Maybe.
What is the color of the slime?
yeah.
Okay, what do you think?
I think green.
It's still green, is
Green
it?
too, yes.
Okay, now we need to do that, and then we will find the answer later.
Yes. So first thing first, we must open the slime box.
Yes.
Adik, fold your sleeve. Fold up. No, fold like this.
So you can see here. This is the slime. Oh, so soft.
Squishy.
Squishy. So, we must unbox. We must mix this slime in this box or
Oh,
out of
this
the
is
box.
okay. This one, okay. This is already become a slime, is it?
Yes,
Oh, so what you need to do is to
decorating.
decorate it. Okay, now who wants to pour this pink glitter?
Okay.
Okay,
Kaya.
adik, you want to
I
pour what?
want to
That too. All right, no problem. Okay, now let's
So,
get started.
How
Okay, so
this.
cannot open, is it? It's very hard, is it? I think maybe you can just pull it.
I don't know.
Not to circle it, just pop it up.
okay.
Like that. Okay, just take little of it. Take pinch and
Glittery slime.
wow, that's great. It's colorful. Okay, then okay, I think that's enough.
Okay.
Okay, and then adik's turn.
Enough.
Yeah, right. See, what is this?
It's like
Adik?
colorful.
What color is this? The colorful glitter, is it?
Green.
Okay, open it. Maybe you can
No.
no.
We will mix it up
Oh,
when we already finish to
when-
mix all of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, adik. Take a pinch of it.
Like-
Pinch. Slowly. Okay.
Tiny
Wow.
pinch.
Wow. Oh my god.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful. Wow. Adik, be careful.
Okay.
You mess up the floor. Wow. Okay. Just put a little bit of it.
Okay,
And
stop.
then this one we can play. The remaining one we can just play with it later.
Yeah. So now
And then
we
lastly,
lastly we'll open.
we mix.
We mix the slime.
Mix the slime.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the green too.
This is the
Oh, still green color.
Yeah.
Wow.
We
So
need
the
to
answer
little
is
bit,
you need to add some more, is it?
yeah.
Oh, you want to add it
Okay.
some more. All right. Okay, add it some more.
You too, Kak, yeah?
Okay. Okay, you hold on.
Some
I
pink,
also want to.
Okay.
some pink star. Wow,
I
so
like this line.
beautiful.
Good.
I like this one because
Mm-mm.
he is a green.
This slime is so
Oh,
great.
alright. Okay.
So,
What
mix
about
it up.
Oh my god, the glitter is inside the slime.
Yes.
Because
Mm-mm,
we
the white?
mix it.
Oh, we mix it together.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So when is unicorn's turn? Now is it?
Yes.
You want to mix the unicorn in the slime?
Okay.
Oh wow! I want.
Wow, this is the unicorn. The yellow
This is
unicorn.
the unicorn. This unicorn will be put in the slime. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh.
Rock and roll.
Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Wow. So you can play with it. See?
Yes.
Can
so
I touch it? Can I touch it?
Yes, can
Alright.
you
Okay.
can. Where's a bubble? Where's a straw? This is a straw.
Need this straw.
Straw. Okay. What's the
For
use of the
blow.
straw? You want to blow the apa? You want to blow the slime?
Yeah. Pull.
Pull the slime.
Okay, we will pull the slime.
Mhm. And then, so you want to blow the slime, Madi?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Don't let your saliva inside the
Disgusting.
Don't blow the slime together with your saliva in it. Wow, got bubble there. Okay lah. Okay.
Okay.
You wanna try?
Small bubble.
Like what? Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Faster.
Wow. Okay lah. Okay, I think that's enough.
Yes.
That's enough.
Disgusting.
Done.
Say, what is this for?
And then
What is that
that
for?
is the knife.
What is this? This is knife.
Actually, it is for to cut.
To cut the slime, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to cut the
much.
slime?
Too much.
It's too much. Okay.
It's so beautiful.
Yes,
Yeah.
so beautiful, but it is
The
so
unicorn.
mass.
So messy.
Yes.
Ah.
It is a unicorn.
Wow. Okay. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
All right. So where can we get this slime?
We can
We can get it at
at
DIY store.
DIY store.
And how much is it? How much is it?
Mm,
The price is around
Under-
7 ringgit to 8 ringgit lah, if I'm not
under
mistaken.
10 ringgit.
Yeah, below 10 ringgit. Okay,
So, want to
guys.
buy this line, you can buy this line because
Don't
it's
forget.
so awesome.
Don't forget to
Subscribe our
like,
channel and share and like.
Okay.
and don't forget to comment.
Okay. Okay, bye. Yay.
Thank you for watching.
Alright, bye.